Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So when we think about foldable phones, the first name that comes to mind is Samsung, be it a foldable or flip phone. But now many new players are making way into the foldable market, mostly the Chinese companies like Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, and recently we heard about another Chinese company which is also set to enter this market to have their share of cake. It's none other than Honor, Huawei's previous sub-brand. We all know Honor is now an independent brand and its ties with Huawei has been cut, that is in theory, but in practice we still see a lot of similarities, like the recently launched Honor 50 looks identical to Huawei's upcoming P50. The same is the case with Honor Band 6 and Huawei Band 6. Now according to a Chinese leaker digital chat station, Honor's new foldable phone could come with an 8-inch primary foldable display and on the front, it may have a 6.5-inch secondary display. He further states that the Chinese display component supplier BOE will be helping the company with the ultra-thin foldable glass for the upcoming phone. The screen size and the dimensions might sound familiar and that's because it does. It matches with the Huawei Mate X and Mate XS. Now Honor may be targeting the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 which is slated to launch in the coming months. But we all know that that's going to be very difficult for Honor to do since this is their first gen foldable device and Samsung is already ahead with its third gen. So yeah, this will not be easy, but you do have to remember that Honor was a sub-brand of Huawei and is getting some sort of support from them. Apart from that, the biggest advantage that Honor has over Huawei is that they get to use US technology. Since its separation, Honor has secured chipset supplies from Qualcomm and is now able to ship phones with Google mobile services pre-installed, allowing the company to sell the phone outside of China. Since Honor has already secured ties with chipset maker Qualcomm, this phone could be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 888 or 888 Plus instead of Huawei's in-house Kirin SoC. And as for launch, expect the foldable to launch very soon. Thank you for watching. Peace out.